Yes, I've been there. I was there when the house was burnt.
Sir, can you please take us through what happened when the house got burned? Because we hear that there were 2 bodies found in the house.
Yes. We're sitting on the shade of the tree outside. We with friends, mine friends. Yeah. So when we're sitting, we hear people in that shack. You know, we look when we look in the shack, we will see there's a dust. You see a dust that comes when there's fire. Yes, there was dust coming out in the shack. People inside. Then we run with my friends. We run to the yard. We go there. We hear people inside the house. Like they